the TVS Jupiter, a scooter that we all know and have grown to love for its nimble, fun and practical character. While it's evolved quite a bit over the years, this is its most serious and thorough update yet. A completely new styling, bigger brand new engine and convenience features. But is it enough to make the Jupiter the king of the commuter scooter hill? I'm Rider 80 and we are here in Hosur at the TVS Motor Factory to find out. TVS is on a path to reimagine themselves. And to reflect that, their journey begins with the Jupiter. The scooter gets a radical update in terms of styling and design. The front fascia now sports what TVS is calling the Infinity Lamp, an LED lighting setup that gets integrated turn signals. It is partnered with an LED headlamp that is now sharper, and at the rear, there is a new LED tail lamp. Even the body shape is a lot more modern now, with clean lines along the side to give it a more youthful look overall. But the changes aren't just on the surface, because the Jupiter now gets an all-new 113.3cc engine, almost 4cc more than its predecessor, but down on power a touch, but makes more torque. But there is something else too. It now gets something called the iGo Assist technology that adds a little extra bit of torque, 0.6 Nm to be precise, to make it feel peppier off the line and make overtaking a little easier too. This iGo Assist technology works based on three components: an indicator starter generator, a high performance battery, and indicator starter generator controller. It works based on a sensor that detects when you pin the throttle and gives you that extra bit of juice. The boost tapers off after a while, but it recharges while you ride. Now, of course, we would love to tell you how it feels to ride in the real world, but for this first ride, we are limited to TVS's test track here. But don't worry, a full review will be out on PowerDrift very soon. Well, how does it feel to ride? The Jupiter has always been a scooter that handles really well. I mean, it is a TVS after all. But with this 2024 update, they've gone a step further. The chassis is lighter, there is a lower and more forward center of gravity, and although the suspension remains mechanically the same, they have fine-tuned it to result in a more stable ride. Oh, and these 12-inch wheels, they come short with TVS's grippy contour tires, and especially here at the test track, they're really confidence-inspiring. The Jupiter was already rich when it came to features. Now, TVS has gone ahead and given it some more. It now gets turn signals that reset, which isn't new, but is quite an underrated feature. It also gets emergency brake warning, which is a nice safety addition, follow me home headlamp and hazard lights. This is besides the Smart Connect features it gets, including voice assist, SMS and call alerts, and turn-by-turn navigation. To make things more convenient, TVS has given the Jupiter with an external fuel filler. And for storage purposes, there is a 2-liter glove box and a 33-liter underseat storage that should fit 2 half-face helmets. To summarize, the 2024 TVS Jupiter 110 seems to carry the promise of a scooter that is value for money. However, what will actually decide that is if TVS gets the pricing right.
And they have got it right. TVS has launched the Jupiter at a starting price of Rs 73,700, which is 3,000 rupees less than the Activa that starts at 76,000. However, this price is for the base variant that misses out on the LCD screen, the front disc brake and the auto start-stop technology. Instead, it gets a normal speedometer, drum brakes at the front and a kill switch.
Because other than that, the scooter is absolutely nice to ride, offers a whole lot of features, and has a history of returning a decent fuel efficiency. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to PowerDrift. Rider 80 over and out.